Well, what a crazy time to be alive, folks. Some of you know that I am a freelance cinematographer, filmmaker, producer, actor right here in Los Angeles, and production is down. As I'm sure it's the same wherever you are in the world. Things are at a screeching halt. Here in LA, we're not really supposed to be congregating in groups more than 10. So yeah, even on low-budge indie scale sets, nothing is happening. So probably gonna be spending a lot more time here on the YouTube channel for nothing else other than to keep my mind out of falling into panic mode, right? So I just wanna stay creative, stay hopeful, stay motivated, and I wanna inspire all of you to do the same. Today, what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a little short film that my wife and I created like a year ago. So it's been a while back. I did put it on YouTube for like a day, but it got flagged with because of the music. The music is from freemusicarchive.org. So but whatever, so I took it down. But you know, time has gone by and I don't really care anymore. You know, I don't care if they flag it. We just won't have ads on it. And that's fine too. I would rather have no ads, and I just want to get more eyes on it. It has been live on Vimeo for like a year, and we've gotten good feedback on it. It actually did win an Audience Choice Award out here in LA. So yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys this film that my wife wrote and directed, and I shot on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, zero budget, and just actor friends of my wife that volunteered their time. And the star of it, little Pipster, is actually Mary Ann's little niece. It is a little charming family genre short film, right? And I did actually put out a BTS behind the scenes making of the interior scenes of how I lit for the interior setting. So if you're new here, I'll have that playlist down in the description below. Keep in mind, this was like a year ago, and if you guys know the channel, you know me, I evolve very, very quickly. I go to tons of classes, tons of workshops, so I will say that if I was to redo this today, it would be totally different lighting setup-wise for that interior setting, to be honest. But if nothing else, it'll be something to take your mind out of the current state of affairs and maybe give you a good laugh and maybe show you what not to do, right? Or maybe not. Maybe you'll say, oh, that's interesting, and maybe you'll take something away. Either way, it's there. Okay, so just some quick blurbs on the tech specs. Like I said, Pocket 4K, the entire thing. For the interior settings, lenses, I used a Rokinon Cine 35mm T1.5, so this was a little while ago because I don't have those lenses anymore. And then for the exterior scenes, I used the Sigma Art 18-35, had a quarter black Pro Mist Tiffen filter on there and a Tiffen IR variable ND filter, and used a Flycam gimbal, okay? So here it is, a story time with Pip. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I just wish you all well.
Welcome to Storytime with Pip. This is Penelope the Brave. Once upon a time, there was a brave girl named Penelope. Penelope the Brave loves going through the forest and looking for adventures. Penelope suddenly heard a cry for help. It was the prince. "Leave me alone, you mean wizard," said the prince. "You'll never escape me." Poof. The wizard struck him, put him in a tiny bottle. "Oh, no you don't. Who are you?" "I'm Penelope the Brave, and you'll never get me with this." "Oh yeah? Hey, look over there!" Penelope looked around. Oh no, the wizard tricked her. The wizard was getting away. Penelope chased after the wizard. It was the best chase the forest I've ever seen. The wizard ran as fast as he could. Penelope ran even faster. They run through the forest, up a tree. And there was a picnic table, and somebody went having a picnic, but they passed it. And Drinking Mesa. Try that. Let's drink that. Penelope the Brave almost had her when she tripped over a tree root. Then she saw something in the ground. It was a wizard's wand. That's it, I have enough. The wizard reached for its wand. Oh no, where is my wand? Said the wizard. And Penelope the Brave said, are you looking for this? Penelope the Brave snapped them in two. Poof, the prince was back. Oh man, the wizard stomped away. Thank you for saving me, said the prince. He landed for a kiss. No thanks. Let's shake hands instead. Oh, okay, said the prince. And off she went to fight her next big adventure. The end.
Yay! Awesome, Pip. That was great.